Hello kids. So today we will learn about festivals. This is our fifth chapter in EVS. Let's celebrate. First, we will learn about festivals. We celebrate many festivals. We pray and have fun during festivals. In India, we celebrate different kinds of festival. First, common festivals. Second, national festivals. And third, harvest festival. In common festival, Diwali, Eid, Christmas and Gurpurb are some common festivals celebrated in India. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. On this day, we decorated our houses with oil lamps, diyas, candles and rangoli with flowers. In this, generally, this is a 5-day celebration in India. Each day is a significant meaning. We worship Goddess Lakshmi on the day. People give sweets to each other. Children enjoy crackers. We eat sweet and have lot of fun. Second, Eid. Eid is important festival celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated a whole month of fasting which is called Ramzan. On the last day of Ramzan, people come out to see the beautiful Eid moon. People go to mosque and offer their prayers called namaz. They all wear new clothes and greet each other. Now next, Christmas. Christmas is a grand festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year all over the world. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Churches are decorated on this day. On Christmas, on Christmas evening, people decorated Christmas tree at home. Small children wait for Santa Claus to give them gifts. We enjoy the Christmas cake. Now come to national festivals. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. First, Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. India became independent on this day. We hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem. Next, Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26 Jan every year. India became republic on 26 January 1950. A grand parade is held in Rajpath in New Delhi. Our next national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji was one of the most important people who fought for our freedom from the British rule. Now, third festival, harvest festivals. We also celebrate harvest festival in India. These festivals are celebrated after a good harvest. Some common harvest festivals are Pongal, Onam, Bihu and Lori. Kids, these are the festivals which we celebrate in our country. Hope you find the lesson useful. Thank you.